Are we ready to do this, baby? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the November Boxycharm unboxing. And this, of course, is going to be a try-on video. If you guys are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription and it's $21 a month and you get between 4 and 5 full-size products. If you guys would like to subscribe to Boxycharm, I will leave the link down in the description box below. We are just going to jump right into this video because I'm super excited about this month's box. This is what this month's box looks like. We have our little pamphlet here, and this month's theme is Gold Digger, and it just looks like this. I thought that was super cute. Instead of Gold Digger, it's Gold Digger. And then instead of the coupon on the back, it just says, have you ever heard about BoxyLux? And it just says you can upgrade your box today. If you guys do subscribe to Boxycharm, you would know that I think it's every 3 months you can upgrade your box to a BoxyLux box. I am thinking about doing that in the future since this November is the last month in my 3-month subscription, so I will have to renew it in the beginning of December, so I might do the upgrade in the next 3 months. The first thing we have here is these LASHAHOLIC luxury lashes, and they come in the style INSTAGLAM, and they come in this cute little box, and it has gold trim around the entire box, and I thought that was super cute, especially because it goes with this month's theme. And then these are what they look like, and it just says ready, set, get addicted, and they look really pretty. The retail value for these are $14.99. It says these 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. So I thought that was super cute that they included eyelashes in this month's box. If you guys have watched any of my recent videos, you would know that I'm not applying or using fake eyelashes anymore. Well, not anymore, just not at this moment, because I am trying to grow out my natural eyelashes. But obviously, since these are in the box, I wanted to show you them, so maybe in the future I will use these. Next thing we have here are these LUXIE Luminous eye brushes. This is a eye set, and it comes in 4. The retail value is $21, and it says this LUXIE Luminous eye set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. The LUXIE 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line, while the LUXIE 121 mini tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease, and then the LUXIE 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines or pack cream products to your lid, and the LUXIE 131 mini angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color onto your crease. So here are all 4 of these brushes. I'm super excited about these because I've never had extremely tiny brushes like this before, and I just feel like with all the creative looks that I've been doing, I think these will come in handy. And of course, they are absolutely gorgeous, and they also have the names on them, which I thought was kind of cool. The next thing we have here is this JONTEBLUE. If I'm saying that right, I'm probably butchering it, but it's a glittering star eyeliner, and this is in the color black, and this retails for $5. Just as this specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. So this little guy was only $5, but this is what it looks like, and there is glitter in it, which is kind of cool. But that's it right there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the glitter, but I'm intrigued to try this, so I like that. The next thing we have here is the COVERFX glitter drops, and I got the shade Nova. When I saw that Boxycharm was putting this in our box this month, I was super excited because it is so glittery. I'm so excited to play with this. This retails for $44. That's just what it looks like. Ooh, I'm so excited to play with that. And last but not least, we have the BEAUTE, if I'm saying that right, Grandiose palette. This palette retails for $24.99, and it says it has 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. This is what the palette looks like, and these are the colors. This palette is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to start playing with this palette. I did see the sneak peeks of this palette, and honestly, when I saw it on Instagram, I wasn't really interested in it, but when I saw it in hand, in person, I definitely can see myself using this palette on an everyday basis because I stick to more of the warm tones on an everyday basis. So now I'm just going to scooch you guys in a little bit closer, and we are going to start on our eye look. So I'm first going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Holy Grail primer, as you guys would know because I talk about this every single one of my videos recently, and this is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer in base. I actually got that primer in Boxycharm. I think it was my September Boxycharm, and as always, if you guys would like to see my other Boxycharm unboxings, I will have those linked right up above, and then I will have them down in the description box. To set my primer, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which I believe is Patchouli, if I'm saying that correctly. Again, I am the queen of butchering names, so don't get mad at me if I'm saying that wrong. But I'm just popping this all over my eyelid, and I'm bringing it all the way up to my brow bone. And I'm just using a regular blending brush for this. I'm going to go in with that same blending brush, and I'm going to jump into this shade right here, which is called Cinnamon, and I'm going to start applying this in my crease and kind of just blending it out everywhere. And so far these eyeshadows are blending out really nicely, and the pigment is really nice as well, and there isn't a lot of fallout. Like when I dip my brush into it, there's like barely any fallout, but there's tons on my brush, which I like. I'm gonna pop this on the same side. I think I'm going to jump into this shade right here, which is called Poppy, and I'm going to take the LUXIE 121 mini tapered brush, and I'm just going to start applying this in the outer corner. These brushes are really soft, and they are doing a great job at blending these colors together. And I'm just bringing this red right about to the center of my lid, and then just blending it upwards into that cinnamon color. I'm not picking up any more product, I'm just basically taking whatever is left on my brush and just fanning it forward. I'm going to jump back into the brush that I had before. I'm not picking up any additional eyeshadow. I'm just taking whatever is left on my brush, and I am blending this harsh line out, kind of bringing that brown shade we used previously back up into the look. So now I think I'm going to go into this shade right here called Rose. And I'm using the LUXIE 131 mini angled brush. And I'm going to start placing this right in the center of the lid. This is such a pretty color. And I'm bringing that color all the way out to my outer corner. And I'm just going to fan that in the inner corner because I am going to place another color in that area. To go back in with the mini tapered brush, and I'm just going to buff these two colors together. I'm not using any more eyeshadow, I'm just using what was left on my brush from when I used the color Poppy. I'm actually going to go back into Poppy and just darken up this outer corner a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Clove, and I am using the 111 mini flat angled brush, and I'm going to place this color right here. To brighten the area of the lid just a little bit. I'm going to jump into this shade right here, which is called Jasmine, and I'm going to place this in my inner corner. Bring that up into that Clove shade. And I'm going to use a little bit right up here. So before I do my lower lash line, I'm just going to jump into the JONTEBLUE Glittering Star Eyeliner, and I'm going to pop this right in my waterline. So for my bottom lash line, I am going to jump back into the cinnamon color, and I am using the LUXIE 141 mini round brush. Just going to buff this right into those shades right there. Now I'm going to go back in with the LUXIE 121 mini taper brush, and I am not picking up any extra product. I'm just running this right under here. I'm going to go back in with this shade right here, which is Jasmine, and I'm just going to pop a little bit more in the inner corner. Now, I didn't put on any highlighter. Now I'm going to jump into the COVERFX glitter drops, and I'm super excited about these. I got the shade in Nova, and I think I'm just going to dot a little on my face maybe. I'm kind of scared because these are really glittery. I didn't put any other highlighter on. So I'm just going to put a little right up there. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and start blending that out. And it almost leaves like a streak. Doing this wrong? I very well could be. Now it's starting to blend out a little bit more, but it's just so glittery. That is definitely a highlight. Assuming you can use these on the rest of your body. It doesn't say it's a highlighter, it says it's a glitter drop, so I'm assuming you could very well do that. I'm just going to take the extra and put it up my nose. I'm going to be a big ball of glitter.
I just woke up from my nap. Yeah, I just woke up from my nappies. Yep. You see yourself on the TV? You're such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty girl. Mommy kiss you, but I get lip gloss everywhere. Mommy has glitter in her hair.
That is it for this Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed everything that I got in this month's box, especially this palette. I'm definitely going to get my use out of this palette, and I am definitely going to play around with these COVERFX drops a little bit more. And I honestly love when Boxycharm gives us brushes in our boxes, just because I feel like if you are a makeup artist or you like doing makeup, you can never have too many brushes. So I absolutely love when they give us brushes, and of course when they're cute brushes at that. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will have all of my other Boxycharm unboxings linked down below. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I always have the link at the end of the video. And of course, the big red subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit your push notification button so that way you will not miss out on any of my future uploads. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye! You say bye. Bye, 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 bye. Big you. This is the Anasa show. Hello. I'm going to do my makeup today. Video. Video with your chunky cheeks. With your chunky cheeks. It's Big you. Honey. Honey. Honey girl. Honey girl. You're thinking, what is all this stuff? I want to play with it. Huh. Huh. You big girl? Are you a big girl? I'm so big. I'm so big, aren't I? I'm so big. Huh.